once you hit like 2 cones, so it was more like a 57 or a 58, you know?
True.
What are you talking about? This car's got tons of torque.
Oh, yeah.
This thing's got tons of power.
This thing's got a lot of power down low. I just got no balls up top. That's what it is.
You get out of the corner in this thing. It's like not even trying. I like that. Well, I mean, you see what I'm dealing with.